Well, hi, welcome back. This is Kim, and welcome to another step-by-step lesson. Today's not really a lesson. I am going to compare Office 2019 to Office 365. Which one would you choose? Which one offers the best value? Well, I hope by the end of this video you'll have a better idea of which one you would choose and which one you think has the most value. So, what's the difference between Office 2019 and Office 365? Office 2019 is a standalone purchase. You pay once and that's it. It's now yours. Versus Office 365, which is a subscription-based purchase. It's just like renting the software. You pay every month and you get access to all the different programs. Office 2019, you buy it, own it, use it. You're able to install it on one computer. But you own that one license for that one incident of Office. The difference is when you lease something, you own nothing. So the subscription model, you don't own anything. If you stop paying, you can't use it anymore. But you can install on Office 365 on 5 of your own devices. That does not mean you can share it with 4 other people. It just means you have 5 installations available to you. But you only get one email address. Office 2019, there's no upgrade path. If you want a newer version, you basically have to buy it and pay full price. They used to allow you to upgrade, but not anymore. Office 365, on the other hand, you can always upgrade to the newest version. It's constantly updating. They're adding features all the time, and you have access to all of that immediately with no added cost. Office 2019 has fewer key features included as compared to what's included in Office 365. And Office 365 has many extra features that are not included in 2019. I mean, they do that for a purpose. They want you to go to Office 365. They want you to go to the subscription-based model. It's much more of a moneymaker to them, versus someone buying a piece of software for $150 and using it for 5 or 6 years. When you are on subscription, you're paying every single month, because if you stop, you don't have that software anymore. So here's some basic info on Office 2019. There are a few different standalone packages of Office, and each include a different collection of programs. So you can choose which one has the programs that you're interested in and buy that. You're able to install it on one computer and one computer only. It's a one-time purchase, and the price varies depending on the package that you choose. Home and Student is $149. It's a one-time fee. Home and Business comes in at $249, also a one-time fee. And Office Professional is $439. Also one time, and that includes all of the software. There used to be Office Professional Plus, but I couldn't find mention of that anywhere, so I believe that they just have moved everything into Office Professional. You can buy apps purchased separately, so like if you just wanted Excel, you could buy that by itself, or Outlook. You don't have to buy the whole Office package to get one piece of software. No new features added throughout the life of the software. Once the software is developed and put out as available for sale, that's what it includes. There's going to be no added features later. There will be security updates, and they'll send out patches to fix problems, but there'll be no added features added. So basically what you buy at the beginning is what you're going to have through the life of the software. Online storage is not included in the Office standalone purchase. Tech support is available for the first 60 days and only for installation problems. If you're having other technical issues, they won't help you for free. They will help you, but they're going to charge you. So now here comes the basic information for Office 365. You always have the latest version of all of the Office apps. Everything available is all in one lump. There's no different packages. I mean, there are different packages, but they all include everything. You can install all the Office software on up to 5 of your own devices. This does not mean you can share it with other people. These are your own devices. So you could put it on a couple computers, phone, laptop, tablets, and you can be signed into all of them at the same time using your one email address. So the cost, monthly subscription of $6.99 a month for an individual plan. So if it's just one person, you get one email, you put it on 5 of your devices, and you get all the software. The family plan is $9.99 a month. And that is for you, well, a family of 6 people, up to 6 people. And each person gets 5 installations. So that's a pretty good deal right there. If you pay annually, you save even more. I believe the individual is $69.99 for a year, and the family plan is $99.99 for a whole year. So that's not bad for 6 people. So like I said, you get access to all the newest features and updates as long as you subscribe. And they constantly put out updates with new things, new features, new just fun things added. They want to keep you interested. They want to keep you paying. You also get 1 terabyte per user of online storage, which is pretty nice of them. Tech support is available for no extra cost at any time, as long as you are still paying your subscription. And there's a mobile app that's free that gives you access to all the programs. So if you can see, there's a lot included in Office 365, and the cost is not astronomical, but you will pay forever. So some other things to note. Office 2019 and Office 365 will work offline. But during the initial install of 365, you must have internet access. And you need to connect to the internet at least once every 39 days to keep the license active and your features working properly. If you don't, it will basically come up with an unlicensed product error, and some of the features won't work. So you need to make sure that you connect probably once a month to keep everything working properly. If you're a 365 subscriber and stop paying your subscription, your license to the software will end. The software will no longer work properly. You will then need to either resubscribe, buy a standalone version, or choose another Office suite substitute. There are some solid options, which will be in another video. I must note that you will also lose access to your online storage. This happened to someone I know, and they had to basically resubscribe, and luckily it was soon enough that they hadn't done anything to their files, so they were still there, able to get them off the cloud. But just be aware that that happens. Now, my opinions. My personal opinion is that Microsoft is trying to push everyone to the subscription model. I mean, why wouldn't they? Ongoing payments for eternity. As long as they keep the software upgraded and working properly, people will keep paying. It's compounding growth for them. Customers are more valuable the longer they subscribe. So they're going to keep enticing you to stay with new updates and added features. And they've got to keep it working, which they're doing a pretty good job. I haven't run into too many problems. Plus, it's easier for them to manage licensing and prevent license fraud by making you check in once every month, 39 days, to validate your license. And it's a lot harder to share licenses. People in the past had shared their license code, with many people. So one person pays and then everyone gets to use it. So now it doesn't really work like that anymore. I predict the standalone version will eventually be difficult to purchase, or they may cripple the software so much, like they already have started to do, by adding the new exciting features to the 365 product and not to the standalone product. There's a lot of features that are not included in Office 2019. A lot of really cool features. So, anyways, is it worth the extra money? I don't know. That's up to you to decide. I think it's for $7 a month or $10 a month for your whole family. I think it's still a value. And you get so much more. But that's up to you to decide. The next video I'm going to talk about some of the cool features that are in Office 365. So check back for that. That should be in a couple days. But meanwhile, I hope this helped you decide whether you want to jump the standalone boat and hop on the 365 boat, or if you're happy with your standalone product and you don't care about all the added features. I hope this helps you feel confident in your decision, whichever way you go. So I'd appreciate it if you like my video and also subscribe so you can find me again. And I'll see you next time.